In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Analytics to GoDaddy website. By the end, you'll have analytics connected so you can start tracking visitor activity and understanding how people use your site. First, open the GoDaddy website in your browser. From the top of the homepage, head to My Account so you can access your products. In the Account area, look for Websites and select it to view your sites. If your site uses GoDaddy's Websites plus Marketing Builder, choose Websites plus Marketing to open the tools made for that platform. Next, find the site you want to connect and click Manage. This opens your site's dashboard. From here, choose Edit Website to launch the site editor. Give the editor a moment to load your pages and the editing sidebar so everything is ready for the next step. Inside the editor, look for Settings. This is where you control behind-the-scenes features that affect your entire site. In the Settings area, select Google Analytics. You'll see a field ready for your measurement ID. This is the GA4 identifier that starts with G followed by letters and numbers. Have that ID handy, then paste it exactly as it appears. A quick tip, copy it directly from your Analytics admin so there are no extra spaces or missing characters. If you're migrating from an older setup, make sure you're using your GA4 measurement ID rather than an older Universal Analytics Tracking ID, since the formats are different. Once the ID is in place, you're almost done. Click Publish to push the change live on your site. Publishing applies your Google Analytics connection across your pages so new visitor activity can begin flowing into your Analytics property. Data typically appears within minutes, though it can take longer depending on your traffic levels. That's normal, so give it a little time. That's the full process from start to finish. Open the GoDaddy website, go to My Account, select Websites, choose Websites plus Marketing, click Manage for your site, open Edit Website, go to Settings, select Google Analytics, enter your measurement ID, and click Publish. If you ever need to update or remove the ID in the future, just return to the same Google Analytics section inside Settings to make your change, then publish again. With Analytics connected, you'll have the visibility you need to evaluate which pages get attention, see which marketing sources bring visitors, and make smarter updates to your site over time. Nice work getting that set up, and thanks for watching.